Hi, so in this video I'm going to talk about how round robin works in this software called OMNeT PP. So this is the initialization file and there is a net file. Net file is basically the file where you create the interface. We have three modules here which defines the process, the operating system and the distributor, and there is a network. Here the CPUs and the operating system related directly when the operating system gives whatever it receives to the distributor, and then it after that gives to the process. So here what happens is basically round robin has number of processes. It loops through the process, and using the time quantum it keeps changing the process and executing them one by one. After all the process burst time reaches 0, the round robin scheduling ends, and therefore the scheduling is complete. So first the process module is defined this way. Here's the class and initialize. We only initialize because we don't need to get any messages for sending from the process. So we initialize using a random number between 0 to 9, and we send it to the operating system, randomizing a random burst time. So after that the operating system receives it. It does not have any initializing thing, and only the handle message class works. So this process queue of rare has all the process names, and the burst queue has all the burst timings of all the processes. So here this program has a round robin time quantum of 2. So in this way it loops through the process, and when finally the process ends, it exits through the while loop and finishes, and distributor finally distributes whatever it receives to the process back and therefore completes it. So here let me simulate this and show you how it works. So I run it now. So this is a running module. So here when I run this, all the processes are like sending everything of the process burst time and stuff. Operating system is calculating is a round robin scheduling, and it's decreasing by 2 quantum every single time and sending to the distributor. So it keeps sending till all the process end up having the burst time equal to 0. Here's the log file where it shows like all the process that receives with along with the burst time, and here's how the distributor distributing the ending process to the process. And here's the final Gantt chart which we'll make. First P2 comes because that's the first process, and as round robin is 2, the burst time from 5 becomes 3. Now process ended here. Then after that process P1, the burst time is 8, so it becomes 6. Then next process P4, burst time is 2, then becomes 0. So it goes on and on until all the process are 0 at this point. So after this we can make a Gantt chart directly, and so this is basically the gist of it, and well, thank you.